But can we go back, please? Can we go back, Your Honor, please? Your Honor, I request another extension, please.
The right to at least 2 5-minute extension.
The people request extension as well, Your Honor. Let's go. 3 minutes. Your Honor, my client would like to file a barrister's motion, please. Barrister's motion, Your Honor. You're the judge, Your Honor. You should know what it means. A barrister's motion, Your Honor. A barrister's motion. You know what that is? That wasn't me. That wasn't me, Your Honor. That was someone else. That was someone else. But barrister's motion, Your Honor. That's what it's called.
You not understand him perfectly well. It's retarded.
And this is illegal.
Yeah, Your Honor. We gave it to you over and over again, Your Honor. Your Honor, Your Honor, okay. You when you come to the stand, I said I file a my client would like to file a barrister's motion, Your Honor. You just said you couldn't hear me. Okay. Okay. Your Honor, yes, my client would like
needs
to
to
file.
retire. He's deaf.
My client would like to file a barrister's motion, Your Honor. Okay. Okay, Your Honor, we can begin with the trial, please. We can begin with the trial, please. We're good. We can begin with the trial.
The judge in contempt of court.
Hey, check DMs. Check Marco. Check DMs.
Be a lot cooler if you did. And if you're not gay.
Move me in.
Sexual harassment.
Who?
Oh, you
Me?
fucking.
Your Honor, well, we'd like to file a motion, Your Honor. I'd like to file a motion to end this trial, Your Honor. This is my client has a right to a speedy trial, Your Honor. This has been taking long and long and long, Your Honor. My client has things to do, Your Honor, and this is very, very sad that the court is making him wait for over an hour just for a court case, Your Honor, which is violating his rights to a speedy trial. Your Honor, are you pointing fault at me, Your Honor? Are you pointing fault at me, Your Honor? Yeah, Your Honor. Are you being okay? All right. Okay, Your Honor.
Mr. Marco.
Yes.
They also stole my item.
Your Honor, what am I giving an oath to, Your Honor? What am I giving an oath to? I, Attorney Marco J. Fuller. Attorney Marco J. Fuller. Swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Whole truth. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying. Why am I giving an oath? That's what I'm saying. What am I giving? I know. Oh. Well, okay. Well, I fully okay. Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor. The defense would like to file a motion of dismissal, Your Honor, due to lack of evidence, Your Honor. Go ahead and submit. Go ahead and submit the empty pots. Go ahead. Yeah, you can go there, Your Honor. Well, I'm looking over them. One is over there tilted. Send all the evidence to Hayes on Telegram.
Remember them having a camera during the thing.
Shit, he died.
What are you gonna do? Like take it in my hand? What's happening?
What we
What are we rolling?
What do we have to roll for? Yeah, I couldn't hear you. Honor.
Yeah, I want to know that as well. I'm not gonna roll until I'm told why I have to roll.
Whole thing for.
Oh, I'll roll.
What's the roll? That's a definite lie.
That's a different line.
No.
Your Honor, may I come up to come up back up? Is it our turn yet, sir? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
We have it.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Your Honor, Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor.
Honor.
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Honor.
Your Honor. Your Honor. All right. Your Honor. Your Honor. This is crazy. all these exhibits. Like, come on.
Honor, can we speak, please?
I feel like this is a very biased case. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What the heck?
10,
And
11, 12,
12.
12.
18, 19, 20.
21.
22.
Right.
Your Honor, how are you able to take a picture when you have a gun in your hands?
that doesn't make. Can we speak?
Your Honor, may I speak to you, please, Your Honor? Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
You.
Hey, Your Honor, the defense has a motion, Your Honor. May we go ahead with the motion, Your Honor? We've been trying to get this motion through for about 5 minutes, Your Honor. You've just ignored our calls for you.
Now that seems like a very biased case.
Which could... Because you're not responding to the defense motion to dismiss for this case, Your Honor. You are showing your implicit bias, Your Honor, which would be important, Your Honor, to the judicial
get away from the evidence. Yo,
Your
get
Honor.
away from the evidence. Holy sh... Yo,
Oh,
yo.
it's contaminated.
Hey,
Are you?
oh,
Hey,
he's destroying evidence. He's destroying evidence. Oh my god.
hey, destroying evidence. Detain the individual. Stop. Stop.
Oh! Oh, damn!
Move it.
Oh!
With the evidence.
Security outburst is going crazy in the courtroom.
Be dead though.
Honor, the defense has a motion, Your Honor.
They said they have a motion, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
This guy's prolonging the whole entire trial. Yes, Your Honor, we do have a witnesses, Your Honor, but we have a motion before we do that, Your Honor. Your Honor, we have a motion. It's not an invalid motion, Your Honor. I'm not wasting time, Your Honor. I'm not wasting time, Your Honor. Your Honor, the motion is a motion of dismissal on behalf of my client, Tony Luciano, Your Honor. There's no evidence, Your Honor, in this case, Your Honor, to prove that Tony Luciano was on the scene at the scene of the crime, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, I do like to file a motion for dismissal on behalf of this client, Your Honor.
Do they have a motion?
Your Honor, I'm representing two clients, Your Honor. I'm representing two clients, Your Honor. There's no evidence, Your Honor, that my client was there. Say that. Did those words come out of my mouth, Your Honor? Did those words come out of my mouth? Kevin Fitzroy, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor,
Kevin
if I may.
Fitzroy, Your Honor, is a witness, Your Honor. As well as Johnny Patel and Tony Luciano.
Yes, he is.
He is a witness, Your Honor. I'm calling my client to the stand, Your Honor, which is applicable under law.
No, he's part
Under
of the
court
defense
procedure, you're
because
allowed.
he requested a trial.
He is allowed to. I'm
Yeah.
representing him, Your Honor. I'm allowed to interview him. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. No, Kevin Fitzroy, Your Honor. If you would come to the stand, Kevin Fitzroy, Mr. Kevin Fitzroy. Can we go ahead with questions? I have these two gentlemen right here, Your Honor. They already been sworn in. These two gentlemen as well. That is all. No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. Your Honor. We do have witnesses, Your Honor. We do have evidence, Your Honor. We would like to submit the camera footage, Your Honor, of our store. The camera footage of our store, Your Honor. If you the hardware store, Your Honor. If you would take this and look at this,
Your Honor, objection.
showing
that's
Your Honor.
irrelevant.
Say, Your Honor. Do you? Your Honor, for getting them in order. Here's the video cam footage of the hardware store, Your Honor, where the raid took place, Your Honor, showing that my clients were not doing anything illegal, Your Honor. It's merely growing some flowers, Your Honor, for his dead grandmother's funeral.
Yeah, Your Honor, the raid was not at the hardware store, Your Honor. This is not relevant.
The building, Your Honor. Your Honor. The hardware store video footage, Your Honor, shows my clients buying the pots, Your Honor, and then we also submitting the video footage, Your Honor, of the actual site that the No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. Oh, no. It's rolling, Your Honor. Rolling. This is the footage of the raid and the hardware footage. The footage of the raid and the hardware footage is showing that my clients are innocent. Please roll, okay? hardware store footage. All right. No, not the hardware store. We're talking about the actual raid. I'm rolling for the actual raid footage of the raid.
Oh, white stains. I'm sorry.
Your Honor, the other footage is in. Your Honor, I would like to also prove, I'll also like to submit footage of the camera footage of City Hall, Your Honor, which shows my other client, Tony Luciano, being at City Hall, Your Honor, not in the building at the time, Your Honor. I'd like to roll for that. My client, Tony Luciano.
Your Honor, does that
Alright,
footage
good.
prove that it was on this day?
Yes, you could have done this as well, FBI.
Oh yeah, baby. I love this.
Persuasion check time.
No persuasion. No. Better watch out, boy. He's a warlock. He got an automatic boost to charisma from being an ASMR paladin. What?
Fuck off, you nerd.
My butt. Who said that?
Yes, Your Honor, I did submit evidence that contradicts theirs. No,
Yes, Your Honor. I
I'm
think
rolling.
that proves.
It shows him outside of the building going up to the floors that he was not already in there, and then him lying about them already being in the room, Your Honor. Your Honor, we do have some more evidence as well, but we're gonna roll for this, Your Honor. There we are. Can we go ahead and roll for this? Yeah. Roll FBI. Go ahead, FBI.
Dun 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 dun. If you guys want me to mic spam like the Law and Order theme, I'll do that right now. Just say the word.
Pass.
The move.
Do it.
Put it on my phone real quick. Do you want SVU or do you want regular Law and Order or maybe some
SVU.
CSI Miami? All right, I'm about to get the SVU.
You're SVU.
in here. All right, I'm doing it. Chill out.
Carry me on weird. FBI, Sean, roll first. Roll first.
Okay, we're not gonna roll anymore then, Your Honor. We are rolling to prove that my client was at the bottom, still with the building, Your Honor, and not inside the building as bottom floor of the building, and not as in the top floor of the building, Your Honor, at the time as the FBI said they were, Your Honor. They were at the bottom, Your Honor, not conducting any illegal activities, Your Honor, just normally living, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this photograph proves otherwise.
Your Honor, this footage, Your Honor, is from the actual side of the raid, Your Honor, proving that my clients were at the bottom floor of the building, Your Honor, not performing any illegal activities, including the pots, Your Honor, at the time of the raid, Your Honor, and just proving them innocent, Your Honor. The video footage. Roll this, Your Honor. Can you go and roll this? Your Honor, we may proceed. We may proceed. Maybe we proceed, Your Honor, with the trial, Your Honor. Bring the witnesses up. We are fine with the footage of the raid we have right now, currently, Your Honor. That proves the otherwise.
Kevin.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm sorry for interrupting. Um, um, Sorry for interrupting, Your Honor, but the Special Agent Sean here, Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor, previously you stated Exhibit H as invalid because it was too late. It was given in contradiction to what the defense said about them not being at the property at the time of the raid. The Exhibit H shows clearly the defense was inside the apartment. Okay, let's say this piece of evidence, this photograph, does show the defense actually in the property where the drugs were found and not anywhere else. I'll give you this photograph and return. Thank you.
May this trial begin, Your Honor. My client has a right to a speedy trial, Your Honor. I did not hear them speaking, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I didn't realize they were doing something, Your Honor. Your Honor, I thought they were not doing anything, Your Honor, as they were not speaking.
Can I get some food?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, first of all, I'd like to thank you, Your Honor, for your presence here, Your Honor. I'd like to thank my two clients, Your Honor, for entrusting me, Your Honor, to serve as your legal counsel, Your Honor. For entrusting me to serve as their legal counsel, please. And Your Honor, I would like to just thank you, Your Honor, and this whole entire court for letting this happen. Okay, we're gonna begin, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, the Fourth Amendment says that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall be issued but upon probable cause supported by the oath of affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or thing to be seized, Your Honor. In this incident, Your Honor, the time of my arrest, the arrest of my clients, Your Honor, their Fourth Amendment right, Your Honor, was violated, Your Honor. There was no problem, Your Honor. There was no search warrant, Your Honor. No reason, Your Honor, for them to come inside my client's property, Your Honor. This is a sad day, Your Honor, for the FBI, Your Honor. This is a sad day for this country, Your Honor, that we have to witness this unreasonable search and seizure happen to my clients, Your Honor. The FBI planted evidence, Your Honor. The FBI lied, Your Honor. The FBI violated my client's rights, Your Honor. And that's what is the facts, Your Honor. The FBI has come up here and said all these false facts and information regarding my clients, Your Honor, but this is the true facts, Your Honor. My client's Fourth Amendment right, Your Honor, was violated. Can we be quiet in the courtroom, please? Term searched as defined by the State of New York Criminal Code is people have the right to privacy. As such, a search conducted by law enforcement must be justified for it to be lawful. An officer cannot search a person's belongings or where they live unless they have reasonable expectation of privacy, unless they have probable cause or a search warrant, Your Honor. No, there was no probable cause, Your Honor. There was no search warrant, Your Honor. Your Honor, I call into fact today, Your Honor, the validity of this search itself, Your Honor. It was not lawful, Your Honor. It was not necessary, Your Honor. It was not reasonable, Your Honor. And law clearly states, Your Honor, that burglary, Your Honor, is defined by it shall be unlawful to enter a dwelling of someone and to commit a criminal act, Your Honor. I would like to point into fact, Your Honor. I would like to point of fact, Your Honor, that the FBI committed burglary, Your Honor, on my client's dwelling, Your Honor. The FBI committed breaking and entry. A breaking and entry is defined by it shall be unlawful to enter a residence or enclosed property without authorization with use of force, Your Honor. They entered my client's property through the stairwell, Your Honor, with use of force, Your Honor, where they burglarized his property, Your Honor, where they destroyed his stuff, Your Honor, where they mentally traumatized him for life, Your Honor, where they ruined his reputation, Your Honor, where they arrested him, Your Honor, where they violated his Fourth Amendment rights, Your Honor. The FBI should be the ones on trial today, Your Honor, for breaking your entry, Your Honor. And I thank you, God, for everything you're doing. Amen. No further. Your Honor. Your Honor, I feel like I'm right in rights, Your Honor, not to look stupid or anything again, Your Honor, but I feel like I'm in rights, Your Honor, to ask for dismissal, Your Honor, because this after them saying there's no search warrant, Your Honor, there's no validity of this case, Your Honor. I feel like I'm in the right legal statute to finally ask for dismissal, Your Honor.
Wait. Who's Martone? Who's Martone? I'm not Martone.
Your Honor, can the prosecution refer from talking to my clients directly?
House, please help me.
We need proof. We need proof. We need proof.
Your Honor. If I may
Yes,
approach.
Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Alright.
Thank you, Your Honor. We can roll for it, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if you would let me clarify, please.
Your Honor, I have a question, Your
all right,
Honor.
boys, let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. And you better hope it wasn't one of you on one of your. Stop talking, or you're all getting muted. Stop talking, you're all getting muted. Thank you. You guys better hope that it wasn't one of you on an alt character that called in that 911 call. Hang tight.
Yeah, here we go.
Because I swear to Christ, if that's what the
No,
if that's what the 911 call came
from
in
a
on, I'm gonna
civilian.
be pissed.
He means a SOS call in the radio. That's what he means.
Your Honor, is it a 911 call, Your Honor, or is it an SOS call, Your Honor? They're lying, Your Honor. This is pure liary, Your Honor. This is liary.
Yeah, at that point, I might not even check the logs if you guys are just lying right here without rolling.
Your Honor, that should be handled in a staff situation, Your Honor. This is not the staff situation, Your Honor. This is an in-character situation, Your Honor. Well, my clients are innocent, Your Honor. My clients are innocent, Your Honor.
Alright, why do
Your
people
Honor,
keep dying in here?
we would also like to perform a civil suit, Your Honor, after this in the FBI, if they would just stay in their places, Your Honor, as we're going to be filing a civil suit, Your Honor. So yeah, I might as well stay here.
And it's gonna be a hefty one, Your Honor. It's gonna be a hefty.
Your Honor,
one.
we're about to be sitting rolling, Your Honor, in taxpayer dollars, Your Honor. Early tax return.
Yeah, we're trying to get those right now, don't worry.
Your Honor,
I'm pretty
under
sure
law,
not
Your
too
Honor,
long
probable
ago-
cause to enter a property, Your Honor, probable
was a
cause to enter a
radio?
property, Your Honor, without a search warrant, Your Honor, is if there is some a life and death situation, Your Honor. I'm pretty sure, Your Honor, these plants of flowers, Your Honor, are not a life and death situation, Your Honor. Unless they got a call of someone in distress, Your Honor, they should not enter the property, Your Honor, without trying to knock or something like that. They should not enter the fire escape, Your Honor. They could enter the front door, Your Honor. If they thought a problem, Your Honor, why wouldn't they enter the front door, Your Honor? They were being sneaky, Your Honor. They were being conniving, Your Honor. They were being, Your Honor, liary, Your Honor. That's why they entered the fire escape, not the front door, Your Honor. Because the FBI is purging themselves right now, Your Honor. Not doing their job, Your Honor. Violation of my client rights, Your Honor.
Alright, calm down. Your Honor.
Okay, no, you don't tell me to calm down. You don't tell me to calm down when you are accusing my clients of something that's liary.
We entered the apartment on grounds of probable cause. I was at
Fire escape. Why didn't you enter the front door? If it was a valid reason, why didn't you enter the front door?
Calm down.
If it was a valid reason, Your Honor, answer the question.
That's
not
a
asking the
lie.
question, Your
That's a lie.
Alright.
Oh, you want to
Your Honor,
gravel? Let's see.
Yes. Your Honor, I'd like to say that the apartment was entered on grounds of probable cause. For the following, I was on the roof of the town hall. Please do not interrupt me. I was on the roof of the town hall, doing just normal security and checking the roofs. As earlier, we have found drugs on the roof, so I was checking it, and I looked at the window at the Clemente Apartments. From that window, I saw pots of drugs, marijuana, growing out. On the grounds of probable cause, I proceeded to go on the fire. Not pots, sir. Yes, I saw pots. Yes, sir. I saw pots of marijuana and poppy seeds, multiple of them. I used my camera, Your Honor, to zoom in. While outside, I did not enter the property yet. I saw marijuana seeds that are very recognizable from a distance. On top of that, I saw multiple pots. On those grounds, with probable cause, I proceeded to enter the apartment through the fire ladder, through the window. I did not break the window, it was already unlocked. From there, I waited on the two suspects. They both entered, and then I detained them. Later, two more entered, and I released them after. Meanwhile, I have requested backup over the radio, not a 911 call, an SOS call to my other agents so they could come on scene. And that is how we concluded their arrest.
Your Honor, may we have a rebuttal, Your Honor, for the dissent, Your Honor, please.
Was entered on probable cause, and it was legit probable cause and correct probable cause that has brought up a result of multiple parts of drugs, etc. Thank you.
Your Honor, can we have a rebuttal, Your Honor, please? Your Honor, the defense would like to put in the fact, Your Honor, that the FBI themselves had said that the window was open, Your Honor, which could have led to anybody placing those drugs in there, Your Honor, not knowing that my clients had, Your Honor. My clients were just walking into the building, Your Honor. They did not possess the drugs on them, Your Honor. They did not possess any illegal activities on them, Your Honor. They simply walked into a room where illegal activities were, Your Honor, and there was a known window open, Your Honor. No, I'm speaking. You cannot object to. I'm a rebuttal, Your Honor. Your Honor, the window was open, Your Honor, as said by the FBI, Your Honor. Yes.
No, 1974, 74.
74. All right. Read it.
On.
Your Honor, there were no mention of seeds. No, I said I have seen marijuana pots from.
Your Honor, he did say seeds, Your Honor. I heard that as well. I heard that as well, Your Honor. He did say seeds.
Then I did not mean to say that. I said pots, Your Honor.
Well, Your Honor, he's lying, Your Honor. Perjury.
I never said seeds, Your Honor. Indeed. Yes. Well, I mean, poppy. No,
Your Honor, last time I checked, Your Honor, poppy seeds were illegal.
Your Honor, I keep on getting interrupted by the defense.
Your Honor, you keep on lying. Your Honor, I'm sorry about that. I just can't.
Yeah, I just like to say. Yes, I did not. If I mentioned any seeds, I apologize for that. It's because, yeah, of the stress. But I do not. I have not seen any seeds or have took any seeds from their property. There were no seeds seen by me. The reason I entered and the reason I claim as probable cause was the pots of marijuana that clearly resembled a marijuana plant. That's the ground. That's the grounds I entered on, Your Honor.
Just shoot out in the courtroom. Okay, we have to pause this. That motherfucker.
I'm hyperventilating, bro.
That's fine. Just
Homie, take a deep breath. Maybe request a recess after that one.
AK-47.
Yes, Your Honor. If I said anything about seeds,
Your Honor, I think we
then
need to hold it.
that was by accident, Your Honor. I literally do not mean to say there were any seeds. I entered the property. Please get away
Oh my
from the
fucking
evidence.
God, dude. Look,
The property.
Judge.
Oh my.
Look, I have to pause this right now. It's we have a fucking mess outside, and I think we need to be worrying about more of that because I think it might be a.
Can you please stop?
What a
Can you please
fucking
stop
rat.
interrupting the case?
What did you say, Your Honor? What did you say, Your Honor? Me, Your Honor? We were not leaving. We're not leaving, Your Honor. Your Honor, we were not leaving, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Once again, I will try to repeat what I said. If I have mentioned anything about seeds, I'm sorry that I do not mean to mention anything about seeds. I have not seen any seeds or anything. The reason I entered their property is because I saw plants that resembled marijuana.
Please
and,
hurry it up, sir.
My probable. Please stop interrupting me. And that probable cause I had, sir, that resembled the marijuana came out positively, and I have indeed found marijuana and more drugs inside the property. Exactly, Your Honor. I'm not sure exactly, but I will say I have seen multiple, more than 3, because I. Okay.
You're only to
seeing
clarify.
as
Can we not get estimates, Your Honor?
I got interrupted again, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'd like to repeat, I did not see any seeds. I am talking about pots, those pots on my right, and not about seeds, Your Honor. No, they were not empty before that, sir. Your Honor. A pot where a marijuana plant is grown out of, with a visible resemblance of marijuana, of a marijuana leaf. As an FBI agent, Your Honor, I'm very trained in the looks of a marijuana leaf. They don't have weed in them because I think they were what's it called? This is our character, by the way, because yeah, they were harvested, so they get sold to the NPC, and some people have tampered with the evidence, like 3 people. This is out of character, and so yeah, a lot of shit happened with the evidence. All right, Your Honor. Seeing I went to the top right edge of the town hall to get a better picture of the window of the inside, I saw the left side of the bathroom, which let me look at my evidence so I can tell you how many I saw, because I saw the whole left side of the bathroom. The amount of pots I have seen on the left side of the bathroom that were the reason for me to enter were 8, as seen on the evidence, the photographs.
Nigga, look at you. Benches here. But he's like, you're not part of the you gotta go on the other benches over there.
Hey, I'm sitting up here because I'm hard of hearing, right?
The witnesses said.
Is this a federal problem? Yeah. So.
Sean, do you have anything to say? If not, then I do not have anything to say either.
Case closed, fuckers.
What's going on?
Yeah, the FBI fucked up.
What's happening?
I told him to get out the safe, but
Oh.
I getting too late. What's happening?
Your Honor, can I point something to fact, Your Honor, please, if you wouldn't mind? Your Honor, I would also like to put in the fact, Your Honor, that the duties of the FBI, Your Honor, are to protect the U.S. From domestic and foreign threats aboard, Your Honor. How is the supposed or alleged grow of illegal drugs the FBI's purview, Your Honor? Wouldn't that be to the DEA, Your Honor? Wouldn't that be left to local law enforcement, Your Honor? How does the FBI's purview involve the sale or the possession of supposedly, Your Honor, marijuana plants, Your Honor? I feel like this is an overreach of boundaries, Your Honor, and that's why after this case, Your Honor, we'll like to do a civil suit, Your Honor, on the FBI, Your Honor, for violation of Fourth Amendment rights, Your Honor, destruction of property, Your Honor, emotional damage, Your Honor, mental stress, Your Honor, and other list of other things, Your Honor. Thank you.
Who's singing?
Thank you for that payment, sir. We're city rolling out here in the full affirm. Thank you, Your Honor. We would like to move to a lawsuit, Your Honor. I have a question. Your Honor, I have a question, Your Honor. I have a question, Your Honor. Your Honor, Your Honor, I have a question. Your Honor, I have a question. Your Honor, I have a question. Go ahead with my question, Your Honor.
He said proceed.
Question is, Your Honor, so, can we go ahead and start the lawsuit, Your Honor? Since we already in court, we'd like to sue the FBI, Your Honor.
Bruh. No.
Yes, Your Honor, because you're the best lawyer, Your Honor. You're the best lawyer here, Your Honor, in town,
Alright,
Your Honor.
quick kiss of his
Former
butt.
deputy mayor, former DA, Your Honor. Your Honor, as an attorney, Your Honor, I fight hard for my clients, Your Honor, and I have to get arrested, Your Honor, for my clients. I will do so, Your Honor. I don't mind getting a the court charge, Your Honor, for my clients, as long as they're proven guilty, Your Honor. Thank you. I mean innocent. Thank you.
Mr. Sean is typing out something OC. Okay, never mind.
Mr. Clerm,
Never mind.
corrupt FBI.
The man in the white shirt.
You are? Vino?
Or maybe go ahead with the lawsuit, please. Well, maybe we can work with a mediation between the FBI, who's the head agent on something. We can work out some type of mediation about how much money you can give my clients for the damage you did towards them. Or head agent on or something like that. We can do some out of court settlements. If you would like to speak about out of court settlements, we can do so. I don't want to have to drag the FBI's name through the mud once yet again.
Is court adjourned already? What happened?
No, not yet.
That's in the 5-minute recess.
Your Honor, thank you for 5-minute recess. May I please speak to the head FBI agent, someone who can speak to me about a settlement or a possible mediation that can be done before I see you guys? Is there someone I can speak to? You have some type of mediation between your agency and my clients. Stand by, alright. And I'd like to thank the FBI for paying for my new house, Your Honor. Thank you. I would like to appreciate that. Thank you for paying for my new house. My clients gave me some money, you know. Thank you.
The snap.
Thank you, Your Honor. With my partner as well. Your Honor, we would like to sue the FBI, Your Honor. We would like to sue the FBI, Your Honor.
What you gonna do when they come for you?
Mr. Claremont!
The
Yes,
FBI,
yes.
please.
Mr. Claremont, that was a great case indeed, Mr. Claremont. I'll be sure if I can reach the director of the FBI about your corruptness. Thank you. You have a good one.
Alright, Viceroy, I'm gonna hit you up on Discord. That was so fun. I like you. I like you a lot.
He's not around right now, but
yo, that was so fun.
Beautiful.
I believe the head FBI agent is this man right here.
Yo, listen, the FBI planted drug
we would
labs
like
on
to
me.
come to a settlement. We'd like to come to a settlement with
Fuck the FBI, dude.
Please just speak to me as a government GM. Can we speak to you in somewhere over here, please, regarding a settlement? Well, you're the mediator, correct? Okay, we can speak to you over here. So we're gonna go for $250,000 for violation of rights, damage of person, damage of property, destruction of property, mental damage, emotional damage, and for attorney fees. So property damage, you damage the property plants, you drag them all the way here, you damage their plants. Okay,
you
but
also
that's the property.
Mr. Claremont threw Mr. Yuri over here down the stairs multiple times.
That's person damage.
Okay, how can
the case is over, so you can't sue for double jeopardy. They could literally say that they lied, and I mean it's double jeopardy.
Okay. How can I help you?
They could literally.
Tim, can you put Tim?
Yes, sir.
Take them. Tim, I swear to God. The fucking pots. Put the pots in the fucking thing. Tim, put the fucking pots. The pots.
What kind of dance moves are you doing?
Just tell me the password, Jesus Christ.
Landed it.
How'd you do that dance move, officer?
Like,
Oh, okay. You have to run after people a lot.
maybe get staff to change it.
Can
you change its okay. I think it's storage lock. Wait, what the fuck is the command again? Slash storage lock. I guess you can also do that. I mean, you can just do slash storage lock and put whatever you want to. Sure, okay. By the way, the fucking thing, they wanna sue for money, what? Just tell them that it's gonna take like a couple days to sort it out, because it's UA money at the end of the day. I set up. So, okay. Yeah, nah. Didn't the fucking court case take like 2 hours or some shit?